Oh, shoot. I made Myah into a snowman. She was on the snowball I was rolling around, and, like, now she's stuck in the snow. Are you okay? Oh, you're out! You're out! No! You can't even push that thing. What do you mean, prank wars?
I need help.
I like watching you. It's funny. I made it that big. I did all the work.
If you don't help me, please help. I need some serious. Please, Mommy.
You, like, lay on it and, like, make it go with your body.
Why?
Use your body weight to turn it. Not that way.
This is weird. I hate it.
Do it the other way. Do it the other way with your stomach, weirdo. That thing's almost as big as you.
Can you help me, please?
Yeah. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned. Bye.